Well, howdy, howdy, howdy. Nearly Senior Citizen here. Greetings, boys and girls, and welcome to this, another reaction video. One of the things I really like about doing reaction videos is that it gives me the opportunity to find things that I find and share with you instead of just you saying, hey, watch this thing that I've watched before and I'd like to see you how you like it. That's good. I like doing that. Keep sending me suggestions down below in the comments box, please. All I'm saying is, I find some stuff too that I think you would like, and I'd really like it if you would watch them too. What we're going to watch right now, though, on that sort of thing, because no one suggested this, this is me wanting to share with you. This is Thunderstruck, the song, played by SEAGULLS. Live, they say. So let's watch that right now. I don't know why I waited like that. I'm sorry. And this is why I think this song is so cool. They really play up the redneck / hillbilly part. But in real life, I bet none of them wear overalls like that. Ain't not a one, I bet. But boy, they do a good job. From the guy playing his accordion to the guy playing the spoons. And he's got a good voice. Yeah, wait till you see what that instrument is.
Sound of the drums beating my heart. The thunder of guns tore me apart. You've been thunderstruck. Went down the highway, broke the limits, we hit the town. Went through the Texas, yeah, Texas, and we had some fun. We met some girls, some dancers who gave a good time. Broke all the rules, played all the fools, yeah,
They do a great job of this. How can you not chair dance while listening to this?
Shaking at the knees. Could I come again, please? Yeah, the ladies were too kind. You've been thunderstruck. 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 Thunderstruck.
That's hard to do, this one.
I was shaking
My
at the
semi-paralyzed hand here is hurting like hell from all that. And how about that? As I done said earlier, if that don't get you chair dancing, there is nothing that's going to get you chair dancing. There was enough energy and goodwill in that song. That was amazing. Them boys is good at what they do. I don't know if they ever do anymore, if they've ever done anymore, or if they ever will do anymore. But what they did, whatever good they get out of that, they deserve every last bit of it. Any suggestions that you may have for me to react to, please drop them down in the comment box. I've also got links down there if you want to check them out, especially the GoFundMe and Patreon page, as well as my Twitter and Blogger and my Facebook and all that. Twitter and Facebook I'm pretty much up on. The rest of them, oy vey, I need serious help on that. But, good stuff. You take care. I will see you on the flip side. By coming, by golly. Or at least I better. I'm going to be disappointed and sad if you're not there.